it looks like right now the preliminary street numbers for AWS, have literally 21% growth this year, next year. That makes no sense. Okay. We're published at 30% over the next 2 years. And I could argue that those numbers could be meaningfully higher than that. So literally, you have kind of like the sell side who kind of puts out the bogey that just doesn't justify all this level of spending. And you have the, kind of the professional investor base, institutional investors kind of like looking for guidance.
So you're saying that the analysts have projected low 20% in terms of growth for AWS. You have 30% in your projections.
Correct.
Why are you so much more confident?
I mean, it's kind of math. I mean, you can kind of figure out how much revenue they can generate per gigawatt on an annual basis. They said they brought on 1.2 gigawatts in the fourth quarter versus one in the quarter before versus zero point 0.9 the quarter before that. They've talked about doubling capacity over 2 years. So that means 5 gigawatts at least next year. Now, there's definitely timing concerns, but unless you think that the revenue per gigawatt is going to fall massively, right, you can kind of just do the math. Now, it is tricky. We guess it's depreciation rates. We think it depreciates over 6 years. So yes, your margins take a hit as you do this, but the street's just struggling. And so I don't know. I think you will see estimates come up probably over the next 2 weeks as folks talk to each other, talk to the companies,